So hello friend, how are you? I know you will be fine. Today I'm gonna show you how to install Windows 10 in your PC or laptop. Let's begin. So first thing I will have to do, subscribe our channel and hit like button. So let's start. Suppose that I don't know what is my password and I want to also remove my password and install Windows 10. Okay. So first thing, shut down your PC or laptop. Shut down anyway. I have a pen drive of Windows 10 inject in your PC or laptop, and boot menu of HP is F9. So turn on your laptop or PC and press F9. Repeat and repeat. There are many type of boot menu of different type of brands like Dell F12, Asus F12. I will give you boot menu in description. Okay. So F9 repeat and repeat in HP laptop. So I have a HP pen drive, so select HP in second option and click on enter step. This interface will come in your PC or laptop. There are no changes in this menu, so click on next step and in center click on install now. Setup is starting. If you have product key, enter your product key. Otherwise, if you don't have product key, so you can click I don't have a product key and select your version. If do you want to install, I want to install Windows 11 home single language. I will select Windows 10 home single language. If do you want to select any version of Windows 10, you can select and click on next step. And click on I accept the license term. Click on next step. Click on next setup and second option custom install Windows only advanced and remove your C drive, Windows file which is in C drive. So delete MBs file first. Delete your MBs file and I have a C drive of the C drive of 99.7 GB. Also remove this and it's all over 99.8 GB. So select them and click on next setup. So it will take longer time. I am getting faster my videos, so don't worry. If your PC will faster, it will take minimum time. I am speeding up my videos, so don't worry, your PC will take longer time. If it will complete, you can restart now, otherwise it will automatically restart. It will also take a longer time. I am speeding up my video, so don't worry. It will depend on your PC. If your PC will faster, it will take minimum time, otherwise it will take normal time. If it will complete, this interface will come in your PC. Cortana will say you something, so listen him. And select your region. My region is India. I will select India. Select keyboard layout, and English India is my keyboard layout, so I have selected and click on next setup and click on skip setup keyboard layout. If do you want to connect to the network, so you can connect, otherwise I will click on I don't have internet. And do you want to connect your Microsoft account in your PC, otherwise continue with limited step setup. Enter your name, which do you want to put here. Click on next setup, and if you want to enter your password on your PC, otherwise click on again next step. Click on accept setup. Again click on next, accept setup. Again Cortana will say you something. It will also take longer time. Don't worry, relax, and do what I will do. Okay, almost there. My windows has been opened, and I will show you. Click on right click on personalize, and click on themes. In right desktop icon setting, open it and select all of them. Click on apply setup and click on OK, and close them and refresh it. Right click on this PC, click on properties, I had installed Windows 10 Home Single Language. If you had installed any version of Windows 10, so here it we from here here say something different. So thanks for watching our videos. If you are new here, subscribe our channel and hit like button. Thanks for your love and support.